Welcome viewers. Let us consider this question. This question is pH. If you are preparing for JAMB, it is necessary for you to know what pH is, hydrogen ion concentration. We have pOH and what pH. I want to do number 1 and do number 2. Now, if you are asked pOH and what pH, the formula to use, remember in your pH scale, remember pH is equals to negative log what? Log of what? Hydrogen ion concentration. That is what? Let me divide this place into 2. pH is equals to what? Negative logarithm of what? Base 10 to what? Hydrogen ion concentration. pOH is equals to what? Negative logarithm of what? Base 10 of what? Hydrogen ion. This is what? Hydrogen ion concentration. This for pH and this for what? pOH. Now they say that pOH of a solution of what? This is what? They are asking of what? pOH. Do you get that? Now for you to get your pOH, you must first of all look at what? The pH of what? Of this particular acid. Now using this formula, pH is equals to negative log base 10 of what? What is this ion? Remember, before you do that, remember HCl will undergo decomposition to give you what? To give you H plus what? Hydrochloric. So we only have what? 1 mole of what? Hydrogen ion. If it is a tetraoxo surfaces that have what? 2, we would have put 2 here. Are you following? So here we now have put this our value here 0.25. Now pH, if you use your calculator and press this, the value that you have 0.60. So you have gotten your what? pH. What is then your pOH? Remember, pH plus what? pOH is equals to what? 14. pH scale ranges from 1 to 14. From 1 to 6 is acidic, 7 is neutral, 8 to 14 is what? Alkaline. If you want to know how a pH of a substance is, just go to JAMB YouTube channel, or on Facebook you can see JAMB online chemistry. Type pH of a substance, you will see the video there. Now we know that our pH is given as what? What is our value for pH? Is what? 0.60 plus what? pOH is equals to what? 14. We are looking for what? pOH, not this one. So pOH will be equals to what? 14 minus what? 0.6. Which the answer will give you what? 13.4. That is our answer for what? Question number what? Question number 1. We go to question number 2. You still apply the same method. Now you know that here they have given you what? They gave you pH and you are asked to find what? pOH. Do the same thing. pOH is equals to what? Minus log 10 or what? Hydrogen ion what? Concentration. Sorry, hydrogen ion concentration. Now what you do is that pOH is equals to what? Minus log base 10 or what? Put this your value there. 2.50 times what? 10 is to the power of minus 5. So pOH will be equals to what? If you find a log of this one, will give you what? 4.6. Now pH plus pOH is equals to what? 14. Are you following? pH now will be equals to what? 14 minus what's the value of this pOH? The value is what? 4.6. pH will be equals to what? 9.4. So that is our answer for this one, for this question, and for this question. But let me shock you one thing. You see the trick in JAMB? JAMB will not give you the kind of calculator that is there in JAMB. is a business calculator. It's not a scientific calculator. You will not see log, you will not see raised to power, all those things. It's just business calculator. So if you are given this question, and since it is business how do? You use estimate what? Use estimate log. Listen to this thing that I'm telling you very well. Now you use estimate log. Now remember that 0.1 mole of hydrogen ion will give you a pH of what? Give you a pH of what? 1. 0.2 mole of what? Hydrogen ion will give you a pH of what? 0.7. 0.3 mole now H now, this is mole of what? Hydrogen ion will give you a pH of what? pH of what? Of 0, will give you a pH of what? 0.5. Are you following? 0.4 mH will give you what? A pH of what? 0.6. Now let me stop there. The other one will give you 0. Sorry, this is 0.5, 0.4 is decreasing. So 0.3, 0.2, and so on. Now remember, in this first question, they give you if you are working with this and there is no log table, this is the method you are going to use. Remember, if you check this first one, 0.25 fall in between what? In between this one. Look at 0.2 and 0.3. There is no 0.25 here, and here we have what? 0.7 and what? 0.5. So what you do is that you use approximation value. Are you following? Use approximation value. So from here will be what? If it's 0, you have what? 0.25 will fall in between here. So you approximate this one to be what? 0.6. You use this value like this and put here. Just remember this keyword. Then in the case of this one now, in the value of pH ranging from what? pH, now let me draw it here. Now 0 or pH of 1 mole of what? pH will give you a pH what? A pH of 1 mole is what? It give you a pH of 0.00. 2 mole of hydrogen ion will give you what? A pH of what? Minus 0.30. Do you get that? 3 mole of what? H will give you a pH of what? A pH of minus 0.48. Then 4 will give you a pH of what? pH of what? Minus 0.60. Now in the case of this one now, you have what? 2.5. So 2.5 is in between here. So if you look at 0.30 and 0.48, in between you will approximate your value to be what? 0.4 instead of 0.45 or 0.38 or 0.5. Just 0.5 you are approximating will give you 0.4. So use what? 0.4. Now if you use 0.4 here, you have what? Minus 5. Are you following? 0.5 minus what? Minus 5. What do you have? Your answer is what you are going to use and put in your equation here and solve. For more of this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, or you can follow us on Facebook.